on from the first movement to experience valgus in my right knee. I was rotating my pelvis towards my left, which is rotating my entire right leg internally and angling my knee inwards. And I'm feeling pressure on the inside of my right foot and a bit of stretch on the inside of my calf. So I know I've got a little bit of a valgus in my knee. The next step is to start to gently weight bear into this leg, because right now I'm primarily standing on my left leg, the one I'm twisting towards. So to do this, what I'm going to think about is the level of my belly button, or roughly my center of mass of my body, starting to travel onto my right foot, maintaining this rotation in my pelvis and the valgus in my knee. So I'm just starting to imagine my belly button is traveling to sit on top of my right foot until I have weight in it. And I still have weight in the inside edge of my foot, and I'm feeling an accentuation of that stretch on the inside of my calf. So to do it in 2 steps, which I have to do so I don't lose track of all the mechanics, is first rotate until I get the sense of the valgus coming into my knee. Then I maintain that feeling of rotation and valgus in my knee and start to travel into my front foot. So I'm leaving my back foot and my weight's traveling into my front foot. However, if you go so far that you start to lose the rotation and your knee goes into the varus angle, pushing outwards again, you've gone too far. So only go as far as it feels like you can manage the mechanics we're intending to do.